Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Google account name. So let's get started. Once you're in your Gmail or any other places where you can log in your Gmail account, head over to your Gmail account by clicking on the profile icon. And you can see an option, manage your Google account. Tap on it. Once you're there, you can see an option, personal info. Head over to it, scroll down, and you can see an option, name, and head over that. As you can see, if I click on name, they will give me an option to change my name for this Gmail account, and they will just allow me to change its name and whatever I want to put right there. So yeah, that was easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video.